Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can place a test order on your Shopify so that you can make sure your checkout process is correct. Okay, so what you guys need to do a test order inside your Shopify, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify. Okay, now that's what I'm going to do right now, and next thing is let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so after you open, guys, your Shopify store, click on products. Okay, and then you want to open the product, a random product from your own Shopify store. Okay, just click on this preview on online store, and then what you guys need to do, you want to click on add to cart. Okay, here you want to click on add to cart. As you can see, item added to your cart. All right, now go back to your Shopify store and then click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on payments, and then click on choose a provider. Okay, if you are not able to see here choose a provider, you want to change the location of your store to France. Okay, change it to France. If you can see here payment providers and you can see here choose provider, click on choose provider. Of course you can change it to France and then change it again to your country. After you click on choose a provider, you want to search here for test. Okay, and then you want to click on for testing getaway. Okay, now after you are on these pages, you can see you can use the following codes in place of the credit card number when checking out, meaning you need to enter one to simulate an approved transaction. You need to enter one in the card number. It should be one. Okay, so that the transaction will keep going. Okay, it's not going to say, okay, this credit card is not accurate or something like that. The card number, it should be one. Okay, as you can see here. All right, now what you guys need to do, of course, you need to enable this. You need to toggle this on. I'm sorry, this goes for testing. You want to enable it. Click on activate. All right, now what you guys need to do, you want to go to your cards on Shopify. Now what you guys need to do now is you want to click on products. Okay, click on any product here, just view it on your Shopify store. After you are on the product page, you will see this here in the top right, the cards where the products that you have added to your cart. Okay, make sure they are your own products, of course. Click on that, and these are the products. Okay, I just added top products to my checkout. Now we want to click on checkout. Now after you click on checkout, you need to enter the information just like you are a buyer. You want to buy something from your Shopify store. You need to enter the card number. The card number, like I said, it should be one. Just add one number. Okay, and other information doesn't matter. You just need to add, it could be your own information, so your card will not be charged, of course. Now if it doesn't work, okay, if you click on checkout and you add all the information and the payment doesn't go through, then what you guys need to do is to use the real payment provider. Okay, and immediately cancel and refund order. You can use your own credit card. Okay, you can pay real money for the order. After that, you will find that exact order inside your Shopify store, and you want to click on orders, and you will find that order here, and you just need to cancel it and click on refund, and then the payment will go again to your bank account. Okay, as it says here on Shopify help center, you can also use a real payment provider, then immediately cancel and refund the order. You may keep in mind, you may be subject to fees from the payment processor that you use. So there will be 3% fee or something, depending on your payment processor you use. Okay, it doesn't really matter. 3% is not that that much. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.